Hey there my peeps, Grammy T from Grammy T Knows. In this video, I decided that I would step back a little bit and share some Photoshop basics with you. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to start by opening up Photoshop. We're going to go to the icon and we're going to double click on that icon. And it's going to open up this space right here. Yours may look a little different, but that's okay. Don't get alarmed. As long as you can see your menu bar up here, and then you have your toolbar. So we're going to go on and open up a file so you can see this a little bit more clearly. You're going to come to File, Open, and then you're going to find the image that you want to work with. So this is the image that we're going to be working with. You just click on it and then say Open. And once it opens up, I'm just going to move the toolbar over a little bit. This is your workspace. This is where you're going to do whatever you need to do right in this section here. Right here is your menu bar. It contains the options and tools that you'll be using. And then right here is your toolbar, which houses all the tools that you'll be using to make your edits. Now, I have just showed you how you open an image. Next, I want to show you how you save an image. So you've done all the work that you wanted to do on this image. The next thing you want to do is save it. So you're going to come up to File and Save As. You're going to type in the name that you want the image to be so you can come back and find it later. And then you just click Save. And we're going to say Replace because I've already saved it. So the next thing I want to show you is how you zoom in and out. Zooming in and out is very important because you see how far away this image seems right now. You can't really see what's going on. If you wanted to remove some of the freckles or the moles on her face, it's so much room for error because it's so tiny. So you want to zoom in. You zoom in by coming over to your zoom tool, which is right here. And the cursor will turn into a magnifying glass. So you're just going to move your mouse to the right to zoom in. And you zoom it up as high as you want it to go. And you see how much easier it is to see those areas that I was talking about, the freckles and the moles. If you wanted to remove them, now you can do it nice and clean without going into other areas. Now, if you wanted to zoom out, you can go to the left. I'm just moving my mouse to the left. Zoom back in, I'm moving my mouse to the right. Another way that you could have done this is the shortcut. I'm going to go back to my Move tool, and I'm going to show you. If you just press Z for zoom, you see how that highlighted your zoom tool, and you hold it down, and you can just move in and out. I'm holding the Z key down, and you see how much smoother I'm able to move it, zooming in and out. And this is really great because it makes it easier. You holding that Z down, and you can come in real tight. And then you can zoom out. So I have just shown you how to open an image, save an image, and zoom an image in and out. The last thing that I'm going to show you is how to undo mistakes. Now, we all make mistakes, right? So we make them certainly in Photoshop. I can't tell you how many times I have messed up something. And having undo has helped and saved me in a lot of those situations. What we're going to do is we're going to make some mistakes. We're going to come to the brush tool, and I'm just going to, oops. Oh my goodness, did I do that? So now you've made all these mistakes. How do you fix this? How do you undo these mistakes? Oh my goodness. You're going to come up to Edit, Undo Brush Tool. So whatever tool you actually use is going to show here. Or you can do a Command Z or Control Z, the shortcuts to undo. So we're going to click on that. To undo these errors that I just made, I'm going to do Command Z. You see how that took away the one that was there? Command Z again. Command Z. I'm undoing. Command Z, Command Z, Command Z. You Command Z all the way back to where you started, and that's where we are right here. You can do Photoshop. As you see, you learned today how to open that file, how to save a file, how to zoom in and out, and how to undo your mistakes. And that will take care of your basics that I have for you today. If this video has been beneficial to you, go on and like, comment, subscribe, and share with other new and small business owners who have to do this work themselves, but they really struggle with how to use Photoshop. Just learning these tools have just taken you many steps further in getting your job done. Hey, I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.